In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover closed tabs in Google Chrome. If you've ever closed a tab by mistake while you're in the middle of something important, don't worry. Chrome makes it simple to bring it back. I'll show you the menu method first and then a quick keyboard shortcut for when you want the fastest possible recovery. To demonstrate, go ahead and close a tab you want to restore. You can do that by clicking the X on the tab itself. Don't panic when it disappears. That's exactly what we want to practice. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its browser tools and settings. From that menu, select History. When the History panel opens, Chrome shows a short list of recently closed tabs and windows right there, including the page you just closed. This list is super handy because it appears instantly without leaving your current page. If you prefer the full history page, you can open it too, but for quick recoveries, the small list is usually all you need. Now simply click the tab you closed earlier. Chrome will reopen it right away in the same window and you're back where you left off. If you closed an entire window with multiple tabs, you'll see that listed as a window. Clicking it brings the whole set back. Let's do that once more so I can show you the faster shortcut. Close the tab again. With Chrome focused, press Ctrl, Shift and T together on your keyboard. Chrome instantly restores the last closed tab. Pressing that shortcut repeatedly will step back through your recently closed tabs in the order you closed them. On some keyboards or operating systems, the modifier keys may differ. Use the equivalent shortcut with the Command key on certain systems. A quick note on troubleshooting: if nothing returns, you may be in an incognito window where Chrome intentionally doesn't save history, or your browsing history may have been cleared recently. Also, make sure the browser window is active when you press the shortcut. That's it. You've learned two reliable ways to bring back closed tabs: through the menu with history and with the Ctrl-Shift-T shortcut for speed. Keep these in mind and you'll never lose your place again. Now, I'll leave you to practice. Close a tab, open the menu, check history, and then try the shortcut a couple of times so it becomes second nature.